In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your previous project that you are working on and then open it in Filmora. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking my video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and open your Filmora program, and here is I'm in the video editor. From here, you'll see this window to start a new project. However, we want to go ahead and find our previous project, or I want to find my previous project that I did yesterday. To do that, head over down here to local projects, and just down below it, you'll see here will be the list of all the projects that you had recently. Now to open it, just go ahead and double click on the project, and now here, once you click on it, it will go ahead and launch or open your previous project. So that's how you can find and open your previous project in Filmora. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.